Welcome to Our Daily Health. How to remove acne scars naturally in 1 week. 10 home remedies to remove acne scars. Acne is one of the most common skin problems for people of all ages, especially teens and women in menopause. Acne is a result of a hormone imbalance in the body. Changes in your hormones will lead to your glands producing more oil than normal, which makes your skin pores get clogged up, encouraging the growth of bacteria. People who suffer from acne will eventually find themselves with acne scars after a bad breakout. The acne scars are stubborn and don't go away easily. They appear red, brown, or black in color depending on your skin tone. They have an uneven, trenched texture to them and result in long-term damage to your skin. Acne scars can be visible for weeks or months after your acne breakout, so it is important to find the right products and remedies to treat your skin. It is recommended to stay away from harsh chemicals and use gentle and natural products on your skin. You are also advised to be patient, as the process of clearing acne scars can take time. Here are ways that you can naturally remove acne scars in 1 week. How to remove acne scars naturally in 1 week. 10 home remedies to remove acne scars. Number 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties and is an excellent tool to have in your acne scar treatment arsenal. Take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, either processed or fresh gel scooped out from an actual aloe vera leaf. You can mix the gel with 2 to 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. Apply the gel to the acne scars and massage it into your skin. Leave it on your skin for around 30 minutes. If you have sensitive skin or are using fresh aloe vera gel, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes only. Gently wash off the gel with cool water. Follow these steps at least once a day. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has acidic properties that benefit the skin by lightening hyperpigmentation. It also helps promote collagen production, repairs damaged skin cells, and removes dead skin cells. Take 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and add it to a half a cup of water with 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply the mixture to your acne scars using a cotton ball. Allow the mixture to sit on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse your skin with cool water. Repeat this every day consistently. Number 3. Cocoa butter. Cocoa butter gets easily absorbed into the skin, helping to lock in the moisture. It promotes the regrowth of healthy tissue, which reduces the appearance of acne scars. Take a small amount of cocoa butter and apply it directly to your acne scars. Gently massage the cocoa butter into your skin to help it absorb. Repeat this process every evening before you go to bed and rinse it off in the morning. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric contains an active ingredient known as curcumin. Curcumin is loaded with skin-healing properties. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. Take 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of extra virgin coconut oil. Apply this mixture to your acne scars and allow it to dry. Get your fingers wet and use them to gently scrub the dry mixture onto your skin. Take your time with this. Gently wash off your skin using cool water. Dry your skin by patting it with a towel and applying a moisturizer. Follow this process 2 to 3 times a week consistently. Number 5. Honey. Honey has skin healing and antibiotic properties. Not only will honey help clear acne scars, it will also help treat acne. Grind 2 or 3 aspirin tablets into a powder and mix them with 2 teaspoons of honey. Apply the mixture to your acne scars and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Repeat this honey treatment at least once a day. Number 6. Coconut oil. Extra virgin coconut oil possesses anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It is also packed with antioxidants, vitamin E, and vitamin K, which promote the growth of healthy skin cells that help reduce the appearance of acne scars. Apply a small amount of coconut oil to your acne scars. For 5 to 10 minutes, gently massage the oil into the skin. Let the coconut oil sit on the acne scars for an hour. Wash it off your acne scars with warm water. You can add tea tree essential oil to the coconut oil for added benefits. Repeat this treatment once a day. Number 7. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil has antioxidant properties that help repair the skin. Open up a vitamin E capsule over the acne scar and squeeze out all the oil onto the skin. To get enough oil for full coverage, you may need to use more than one capsule. For about 10 minutes, gently massage the oil on and around the acne scars. Let the vitamin E sit on your skin for up to 20 minutes. Wash the vitamin E oil off your skin with warm water. Repeat the vitamin E treatment at least 3 times a day. Number 8. Lemon. Lemon has properties that make it work as a natural bleach and help lighten all types of scars on your skin. It helps to remove dead skin cells, improve skin elasticity, and promote the growth of new skin cells. Squeeze fresh lemon juice and mix equal parts of the juice and honey. Apply the mixture to your acne scars using a cotton ball. Let this mixture sit on your acne scars for 10 to 15 minutes. If you have sensitive skin, let it sit for 5 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Repeat this treatment once a day. Number 9. Baking soda. Baking soda is an excellent mild exfoliant and helps fade scar tissue by removing the layers of dead skin. Put 2 teaspoons of baking soda in a bowl and mix it with water to make a thick paste. Spread this baking soda paste on and around the acne scars. Let it sit on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. Dry your skin by patting it with a towel and applying a moisturizer. Repeat this treatment once a day for several weeks to help fade the acne scars. Number 10. Rosehip oil. Rosehip oil contains vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and antioxidants that help with skin rejuvenation, making it ideal for combating acne scars left after a breakout. It is a great skincare product that helps repair and calms the skin. With consistent use, the gentle oil will also exfoliate and brighten the skin. Gently massage a small amount of rosehip oil onto your acne scars. Let it sit on your skin for around 45 minutes. Gently wash off the rosehip oil with lukewarm water. Follow these steps 2 to 3 times every day. Bottom line, acne scars can be an unattractive reminder of a bad acne breakout, which may cause people to have low self-esteem. Using natural remedies and treatments, you can make an acne scar less noticeable and even fade completely. These natural remedies have been successful for many people who use one or multiple of them. Consistency is important when making use of these natural remedies for the desired results to be achieved. If you have stubborn acne scarring, you may need to consider receiving medical treatment to help fade acne scars. Which of these home remedies to remove acne scars naturally do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.